Splunk's IT Service Intelligence gives great insight into the status and health of your computing systems and services. You can proactively monitor what is critical to your organization and get early visibility of problems and scenarios before they have real impact. And when things do go wrong, you can dive in for greater detail. But what happens if you have a mainframe playing a part in those business-critical systems? IT Service Intelligence has no visibility of mainframe-based information or metrics. You cannot get that complete end-to-end view. You do not have full availability details, performance stats, or health information for all of the components involved in that complex multi-platform system. That is, until now. Using SyncSort Ironstream and the wide spectrum of data it is able to forward from your ZOS platform to Splunk, you can now deliver metrics straight into IT Service Intelligence in real time. SyncSort Ironstream's integration with Splunk IT Service Intelligence gives you the metrics you need to add to your critical business services. You can monitor the mainframe overall. Are you seeing unusually high CPU utilization? Is there something causing processing delays? Has the I/O rate suddenly gone through the floor? Individual LPARs can be monitored. Check the health of each ZOS environment. Is your most critical production LPAR performing within acceptable levels? Is it experiencing a slowdown in workflow? Get a heads up before it becomes a major problem. CICS and DB2 health metrics are also available. Verify the overall health of these systems. Are all transactions running well? Are your databases performing within acceptable limits, or is performance falling away? See that your critical transactions are responding well and customers are getting good service. Individual transactions can be monitored for response times and failures. Also gain insight into the state of your DB2 environments to ensure your most critical instances are running at an optimal level. Let's take a look at a modern example. Internet banking. Today's computer environments are typically made up of several layers, with many components, both hardware and software. There are a lot of moving parts. For a customer-facing system, it is vital that all these parts are functioning well. If one of them is unavailable or running slow, it can impact hundreds, thousands, or even millions of users. Internet banking typically involves essential functions and processes based on a mainframe. Multiple layers and platforms provide a flexible architecture and ultimately a modern user interface based on web browsers and mobile devices. However, the mainframe is still the system of record. It plays a fundamental and essential role. If something goes wrong with online banking and the problem is on the mainframe, you need to know about it immediately, or even better, before it becomes a problem. Using SyncSort's Ironstream IT Service Intelligence integration, you can now add mainframe metrics into this view and see the system health from end to end. IT Service Intelligence calculates service and component health scores using the threshold values you have set. It visualizes them on service analyzers like this. It is very easy to see that online banking, for example, has an overall health score of 40. This includes values from the mainframe. Ironstream also provides metrics for you to see the mainframe CPC health, individual LPARs, and key transactions that run essential services, in this case, the online banking service. And these services are all underpinned by key performance indicators that use your thresholds to show how well a given element or service is performing. In fact, everything you see here is coming from the mainframe. IT Service Intelligence also visualizes metrics and health scores using glass tables, which give a more graphical representation of complex systems and services. Here you can see the mainframe, LPARs, and software components from our online banking example. Another glass table shows how these mainframe services can reside alongside other components. Of course, in a production system, the other components would also show health metrics allowing you to see details across the complete system. Deep dive views are also supported by Ironstream supplied metrics. Here are some LPAR details, which using out-of-the-box functionality, you can compare against previous values, the last hour, yesterday, last week, for example. Beyond this, you can also visualize information with detailed dashboards. Here, information from the mainframe can be shown. It can also be combined with data from other sources to form a single view. Now that SyncSort Ironstream has filled the mainframe gap in the IT Service Intelligence solution, you can leverage the wealth of information stored within your ZOS environments in real time. SyncSort Ironstream is available today. Visit the link on this page and download your free starter edition. If you want to learn more about the Ironstream IT Service Intelligence integration, please visit syncsort.com or contact your local SyncSort representative. We will be very happy to show you how to gain real-time visibility of your critical systems.